Samsung is set to make waves in the foldable phone market this year with at least 4 new models. Among them, the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 7 is rumored to feature a cutting-edge variant of Qualcomm's newly unveiled Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. This new Snapdragon 8 Elite variant, model SM8750-3AB, is designed specifically for ultra-thin foldable devices. Built on TSMC's advanced 3nm and 3E node, the chip boasts a 7-core CPU with 5 high-performance cores clocked at up to 3.53 GHz and 2 prime cores at up to 4.32 GHz. This configuration promises high performance with lower heat generation, making it ideal for ultra-slim devices like the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and possibly the Galaxy S25 Slim. The Snapdragon 8 Elite also packs the Adreno 830 GPU, offering features like HDR gaming, ray tracing, AI-powered frame upscaling, and game super resolution. It supports QHD+ displays at up to 240 Hz and 4K screens at 60 Hz, along with external monitors at up to 8K resolution. Camera enthusiasts will appreciate the built-in ISP supporting up to 320 megapixel sensors and the ability to capture 8K video at 30 frames per second. Samsung continues to lead the foldable smartphone market, but competition is heating up with Chinese brands offering thinner and more affordable models. To stay ahead, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will feature significant upgrades, including larger screens. Expect a 6.5-inch cover screen and an 8-inch foldable display, while the Z Flip 7 will sport a 6.85-inch folding screen and a 4-inch cover screen. These enhancements will provide a more traditional smartphone experience and allow for bigger batteries. In a bid to slim down the Fold 7, Samsung plans to transform the S Pen into an Apple Pencil-like accessory. By switching to active electrostatic tech, the new S Pen will be battery-powered, eliminating the need for an additional display layer and reducing thickness. However, despite these exciting developments, some Samsung fans feel the company isn't innovating fast enough. Incremental improvements in chip power and camera quality are expected, but major changes may not arrive until the Z Fold 8 in 2026. So, if you're considering a Samsung foldable, it might be worth waiting for next year's model.